Keblai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong saan mentah kesengi kilong. Tuklar ki MLA haying dorbar baslem ke DSC ban pelaj ke result. Ban laj na ke jingsha thok hikai Peit ke Bureau of Indian Standard BIS Rymphang District. Keliu ba Arden halor ke ban yaki kena ilakai Meghalaya Games. Bat dawa ki Dr. Ayush ban yok kampura Hakim Hospital Sorka. Badminton in pa shigi Khubor bakam benya. Ki MLA liang persya kumjuk na kaliang sinsyar hakas ngining kong kilayeng banyatai halor kapang balawan ra do MLA kamau kerwat uba renekten lingdo tongkar halor ka jing slam ban pelong ye ke exam lat kam da ka district selection committee badru halor ka jing slam ban penbena pa ya ka result ha ka juba halor ka ni ka kam uminturi rangba ukonrat ke sangma uloong bakam shim ladon setia ka jing pensangye ne jing pen slam ka jing penlong ye kita ki examen lat kam kidang yai biteng
applying for a particular post in a particular district. That local language of the district, a qualifying paper will have to be cleared, and this will ensure that more and more focus is given on to the local community and the local people who reside in that particular district. So like that, sir, we are working on ways which will allow us to meet our objectives, keep the legal framework in mind and overall constitutional aspects in mind, while trying to move forward with achieving the most efficient process in which we can achieve the different recruitment aspects. So therefore, sir, these are the things that are being done. And as I said, sir, I have clarified regarding that particular issue that was being mentioned by the Honorable Member regarding the OM. The Honorable Member from Nongkrem had mentioned about political appointments. Sir, this is not that we look at political people only. These are individuals who are there, who are from different walks of life, who happen to be in different positions earlier. And therefore, it's a normal process that is followed. Whatever guidelines are there that are mentioned in the selection process that are there, we follow those guidelines. And people who have certain background are given preference. And that's how the process has been, sir, throughout. But yes, if the Honourable Member, as I said, has suggested that we look into the reviewing of the different procedures, processes, so we can examine the matter and see how we can improve the overall functioning of the district committees. Sir, the Honourable MLA from Amlarem had mentioned about a one-time payment, and so we can examine this suggestion also. I don't know the exact ramifications of this and how it would come out to be, but since it has been mentioned by a very senior Honourable Member, we'll definitely examine this particular aspect also. Honourable Member from Nongpo had mentioned about the exams. I just had replied, sir, that we have already started that process, and we have asked all recruitment agencies to screen the documents after the examinations are cleared. And for the larger exams, like for example the police and others, where there are lakhs of people who apply, this will be implemented, and slowly and as we move forward, all departments have been, all the recruitment agencies have been asked to do the same, sir. So that's all the points that I could remember. And so once again, I would thank the Honourable Member and the mover of the motion. And I just want to also clarify to Honourable Member so that recruitments are going on, sir, as we speak. So there was a concern and issue that recruitments are not happening and the recruitment process has stopped, so which is not actually correct. Even as we speak, sir, even in Makurwat, in fact, on very recently, I don't have the date with me, on 2022, in Makurwat also, 10 Gram Sevaks, 3 Gram Sevikas, Mali process servers, the recruitment process has happened. Even in Nongstoin, the recruitment process happened as recently as September to 2023, and in Mairang also it happened, sir, and so on and so forth. In many districts it's happening, but yes, the point is taken that the process is not going as smoothly as it could have, and there are certain hiccups and bottlenecks. And obviously, sir, as a government, it will be our duty to streamline the process and make things easier so that process moves faster. And as I said, I'm happy to inform that we have already decided and already communication and OM has come out and direction has been given to the deputy commissioners that they can go ahead with the recruitments after the approval by the deputy commissioner at the district level. And I'm sure that this decision will allow us to recruit much faster compared to the process of sending it all the way to the government. And second, as I said, the OM, which was sounding confusing, sir, is the same OM from 1972. We have not changed a single word. And if there was no confusion before this roster came out, then I don't see any reason why there should be any confusion now, because it's the same OM, no language has been changed. So, sir, with these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ka District Rural Development Agency Rymphang District, Hakajingitre lang but ka Bureau of Indian Standard BIS Ministry of Consumers Affairs Food and Public Distribution jong Sarkar India nagoti kilapulong ya ka awareness program sensitization program on promoting to Indian Standard and Government program haka khat khandai tarik Rymphang nakabanta kinong ilam shnong bapher kibahap ha umling but umsning sin adi block ha DRDA hall Kajing temu jong kani ka awareness program. Kadai halor kajing mi bon ki kam thok kam shukor ha ka lengkari ha ka be day but kajing day ya ki mar thok. Nakaliang jong katanat Bureau of Indian Standard kila ay kajing pensyai shikinong ilam shnong but kiwe ki belawan ban shimenta halor ki standard mark lani ki ISI mark ki badon ha ki mar ki mata but kajing don jong kite ki mark ki penshisha but pentikna bekilong ki tiar ki babha but ki babit ban pendon kam hakini kajing yalang ka Bureau of Indian Standard lawan ban shimenta daka bharasha jyoti baisha but usubham sanu kum ki standard promotion consultant ka kong pitiang hun marbanyang district program manager DRDA nongpo but US Marbanyang Additional District Program Manager TRTA Nongpo. Hagani kasngi nakaliang jong katikitanat kilawan raru ya ka BIS K app kabadai ka mobile application batling ba katika application kipai ba kilaban tab yu license number ubadon hakimar ki mata batling ba kani ka application kinlap ba kimar ba kithet kilong ni em ki bashisha bat ki babha. Lada kamar kadai ka bathok pasyukor kipat ba kilaban ujor ling ba ketika application lani phone syikitana badai Peit ya ketika application bat ban download na Play Store kenang ban yo biang ya kapisa bakilangat ban thet da kimar thok.
Good morning everyone. Basically today in this sensitization program we are giving them a demonstration about BIS Care app. In this application, they are getting checked about the water bottles, about the mandatory products which is under ISI mark or hallmark or under CRS, which is electronics mark. Basically, they are basically the Gram Panchayat sensitization program aims to check whether the product is verified by our department or not. If it is verified, you can check through BIS Care app. In this BIS Care app, you can check ISI mark product is a fake or is real. This is the basically this is the application BIS Care app in which you can check verify license details and verify HUID. Apart from this, you can also check verify our number through through CRS number, in which in under CRS there are several items of like electronics items like smartphones, laptop, projectors and mics. You can check it through BIS Care app. When you are going to verify license details, these application wants license number. If your product is real, then you can check through license number, which is written under the ISI mark, where CML, which is central mark license number, and when you enter the license number, just like 54000 71903. When you enter the details of the water bottle, they provide everything, like where it is manufactured, from where it is purified or not, it is it is very valid or not, its product are all the details are come under BIS Care app. That's all. Thank you. Actually,
UMLA ka VPP na nongkrem uba Arden Malabasayamot haka khat khandai terik ula kili hayeng dorbar halor ka rukom sam yik jingbam chiki khna ele aka he Meghalaya Games badang shudapshen hatura haba jubab yakani umentri katanat ele akai uba Shaklir Wajri ula ong namar ka jingwan ka president kari ban play ka lumpong kumta kiladon kattu katni ki kendon bahab ban bot nakata kadaw labetha iki kena ele akai ban bam kedang nadu kapor min step ki doktor ki bahab apo ka Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya haga janmiet khat khandai tarik Rymphang kile kendo ia ka menteri katanat ka kot ka khia ka kong amprin lingdo ban bot din ni ki jingdawa jangki banthung ki doktor Ayush bat ban tip iki daw ka jing slam banthung kam ki ha hospital sarkar habakren chikila pathai Khubor u president ka kenhon Alistair Lingdo ulai thu bakajinge kendo jangki kum ki doctors jong ka Ayush ban kerpat banthung kampura no eki hapo ki hospital namar kum balong menta ki doktor ki bateri hapo ka Ayush ki datang ki contractual Henry nakaliang ka health department ki lai thu bakampat don ka service route bayadai bat katay ka jingdawa jangki kila kerpat ika sarkar ban sandur khamkloi ki service rule ki bayadai bekinong tray hakatanat Ayush Kementeri Kelabu Por bani peliu jingmut bahah ya kini kemat haka ap kendai terik Rymphang hapading ke sorkar bat ke kenhun jingkinong tray Ayush.
Dr. Alistair Lingdo, Bapak Presiden, bagi Dr. Peit Pangstang, Bapak yang ka General Secretary, Dewan Kendu mentasni Madam Amprin, ban keli Shillong ka kam ka jam bantung ya ke Ayush Dr. hak government balik kalong delay. Kajing delay katkum kajing tip bayo lembaga department ki amba kamdan ka service rule kajing kli jong association menta kalong boleh hadu karni kisnam kiladon ki service hak government ki Ayush kamdan ka service rule he don't come bakandon ka service rule so that ka implementation jong ki post kandan but ka directorate kalaban bu hakmat mo kajing don kam menta ka central kala push ya ka state government bahkan kan set up ya ka directorate tambah nak daw bamdan ka service rule but ka defect ka service rule ka khata no ya ka formation jong ka directorate but ka observation jong bon ki doctors ki blatre lupa taki khatsan snem tam haka contractual tena bon ki Ayush doctors ki batre contractual hadu men takim padio kam kadi nak daw pengikindo i Madam Amprin mutasni kang ba in pensap ya ke jing sistem jing ki Ayush doctors
Mbak nungut ki doktor idan apa ni kan? Ayush
Medical Association idan kumbasan spa kita.
Tapi orang tap kani ke kapos ni mana?
Pardon?
Kani di kapos ke balat ni mana?
Kapos balat can have advertisement. Tikham advertise last time bagi orang ba kamdam ka service rule. Recently there was an advertisement for MBBS doctors kabutan Sopo Prapos, but ke dentist kabutan Nyopo Sapos, but yaki dentist kabutan Prapos. Te kalau nak hataru kam haba yaki kalaban mi kapos balik ke Ayush doctors kami. Te kajing jubab kawan ba kimdan ka service rule. Kena kata daw ni pan ka service rule kawe, but kadon kam ba ka service rule kadon kam ro ban nam taka implementation jongka directorate ke.
Tanah kalian Amprin yang kuno pad.
Madam Amprin ila kli bnia yakini ke ayu ya ka association wa balik ka kajia komne ti ong ni batai sapang service rule ti ong in Peit ya ka ni ka benta in kren bad director jungi i sejoram beda in kren bad ban ya pen Peit kumno ban ayu ini pen Peit lang maki bakini syang ka meeting But NEHU ar kendai yang saya Shillong baru Dr. Jarang Beda mengibat Dr. Emperin menginjau Peit NAKA service Khuborjylla Ayush doctors.
Ke Ministry of Road Transport and Highway MORTH kalamang Hendrius Pak Prapway Kelur Tingka bansiu by Kendo na kebenta bansnai ke Western Bypass ke bansedang na lat Maureng haduk lat umsa. Ya kenilai itu do sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Presiden Tensong ha ke jibab ya ke jingkeli. Balawan ra do noyelam ke liang persyak ubak Roni Vilingdo ha ki kenta ke li jingkeli ha ke khat kendai terik Rymphang ha ying dorbar tauan ke Jylla. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad K. Samla ha ke khat kendai terik Rymphang. Ulong bekade ke jing shisha baka sorkar Jylla kalapha lang ya ke ketin khasi bat garu syaka sorkar India ban yo jing itu bat ban penrung no ha ke kernet bapra jang geriti sensyar kari India. Ya ke niulai itu ak jubab alor ke jingkeli belawan ra de khot ke VPP uba Karpran ba Arden ba Adilbert Nongrum MLA ke Kongres ba Charles Marngar bat unong yalam ke liang persya uba Roni Vilingdo. Menteri Ketenak Puli Putih Rakam E Sangma uloong bakampat don genu-genu gejing ujor bagi don haduk kendai teli ke skul ki baklem yo yo kau midday meal labun benai minta. Ya kini ula jubab alor ke jingkeli belawan ra do rupa marak MLA haki kenta keli jingkeli habai day bagajing sam yo kau bam jasngi ki kena skul hada dengri constituency.
So this now it's called as PM Pusan. This program is a Government of India sponsored program, and this is being reached to the school by the wholesaler, which will be assigned by the Deputy Commissioner Supplier of the concerned district.
Thank you, sir. As replied in the sum number B, it is being allotted on quarter basis, but there was some complaint which is put to me by 9 schools, the teachers as well as the parents. They put one complaint, and I would like to read out the schools' names to you, sir. Damalasam LP School, they have not received the quota price from July to December. The Pogri LP School, April to December, they have not received. Baljai Kaduma, July to December. Rongkemgri Government School, July to December. Madarigiri LP School, July to December. Rongramgri LP School, April to December. Chengargri LP School, July to December. Aigri LP School, July to December. And Dabirgiri, July to December. So, I would like to ask the concerned minister to take necessary action in this regard.
Kibahiyeng asem rengkat kipulit ke Rybhoi district menin kesngi ke khat praterik Rymphang kila pendep don burom ya kenyam kerukom bakat du ya kemet pasak jong sub inspector Amit Sinha ubala klat no na kejingja aksiden kali kebelaja ha kakat new trik min step ha kesurok ba Gurgaon Haryana. USI Amit Sinha di upulit ubala 3 Rybhoi district kumu in charge bernihat PS bar kakap mara PIC Shwa ba unsya penkendria sya office jong superintendent of police Nongpo. Ulalit sya Delhi na kabenta bantokit ya kejingja jong katanak pulit na kani ke district sya katay kejaka. Henry ulamat ikajingja basngosi ha ka aksiden ha surok ba sektor 50 ha Gurgaon Haryana. Ulaklat no na kani ka perthai. Hadin bala pendep ya barok kejing tokit de Khubor pulit halor kani ka aksiden ki bahayeng harangkat ki parlok jang USI Amit Sinha kila yo ban ra no ya kamet jang u sya ka yingsa ha dakin gon kahili para goti Assam ha ka ba ki bahayeng asem rangkat Khubor pulit na Rybhoi district kila pendap ya kejingle buram bakadu ya kamet jong u hakani keshnong.
হ্যালো নহলে মই নোৱাৰো দেই আজি তো একদমেই নোৱাৰো তুমিয়ে কৰা সেইটো দুটা আজি তো আৰু নোৱাৰো নাই আজি বিজি নালাগে তুমিয়ে কৰা দিয়া
Kinongelam Kaseng Khasi Students Union KSU Rambrai Circle but na West Khasi Hills Klay Kendo yo Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills ban karpat yo ban IT no ikisurok ki baha hagishnong Maudet Maushat Maukiat Shem Rinyao Mauyong Domkerko bat Mainop Shakatanat PWD Knang bakan chnapen bha bat ban maramot namar kila jot rathai bat kila bu ikipai pa hakini kitan hakijing jing janjar babunjat yagini ki surok la pentrei lengba ka scheme MGNREGA bat kam kot bor syu ban pen bhai ki haba ki jot ki pra las ngau thu ba ka office jong DC kan pha yagini ki jingkerpat shaki bor jong ka PWD
Agani ngi naka WKSU Rambrai Circle dekat bagajing senran lang jong WKSU naka central body ngila ada wan hari kendu yo DC gani sngi banginya keren bangiwan summit ya kada memerendam ke baik gede facility ke bangiwan mi gani sngi blalek la kalong Shillong mau dat mau gini terteren ke baik ngene keren DC rulah ularengi ba un simkiai gini kam Bang Ruba ini saya keren bagi official bagi Peit bagi kami gini linti mah IT di keren PWD dan nambah ni hab ya bagi proses kiba deh banyak ni going sungu bau disiulah roy ban meskat begini konten ini jing kam kiba Shillong kiba jing kam surak di sini kalau ngecek ini baik senang thag bahkan pendang bakin nation bukan wani wan hat nation dua nation kalau jejar ki bakinya mak surak kalau ke sini itu kata but kini kilong bang minta kompetitif sepi baik ba di siu lah kular ini ba mesti kai ni kam wala hoi tension por dari suki recruitment ba kini kisi surak borokin kisawan orang kan bernginang ya budin rusya sikmat kini ki kam bangi semet tasni kini kam kini surak kini senang ke balang harumah modat moshat mokiat Sham Rinyao Mauyong Domkerko bat mainak kini senang bang ngajar teng kini senang ke ba kami dah sini surat bar kam kerki ya surat ba sokar dan community Khuborjylla ban pen bahama
Kajingnya takho kali be ishir khai kalaja ha ka khat khandai trik Rymphang ha kapor komba South Shiteng Janmet ha Khongdong Shang Bangla Riboy District ha surok Shillong Goti ka Khubor balayo lum kai thu ba kwei ka trok khat arshaka ka bakit ikimar ban san deubilat kadang hier shagoti kala rengkang ya kelentia jangka bat kala tenra ya artli ki kali bekit gas ki bedon you number AS not away DD nyo riu R but AS not away DD nyo riu lai ki bedang kiu shikithan Shillong hagani ke jingja accident u driver ka trok kit klinka kala lej ban tenra ki artli ki LPG truck ulamen saw bat lapen kit sendon ye u shakajaka ai jing sumar katba kinongnya jing ki artli ki LPG ki clement saw AA Kipulit na Nongpo Police Station bat kibriyo ka National Highway Authority of India Maria yo jing tip halor kani ka jingja kilapoy ketika jaka bat lapin kit Mario nongnya balaman saujur sa Civil Hospital Nongpo Kipulit kidang thokit halor kani ka jingja Open to all badminton tournament belapelong de Khuborjylla District Badminton Association. Kalapoi no sya kabukut hakajan meet ngi sajan ga khatnyau terik Rymphang. Hagani ke tournament lawan ban shimenta shidrem de ki Samla ki kena bat ki riu yau nakeling ki Jaka. Hakasngi penuai laidon lang uba Frankie Nongrum u presiden ka RBBA Anon Sweat Secretary Samla Alberto Nong Sej, Presiden ka RBYF Nong Po Circle, bat kiway kiri rang ba. Hababhay siya kajing kun final men's single, uwiki Nong Rang ulara ikajing job, kat bah ka men's double uselok Marbanyang, bat u Jackson Lingdo, kilalaban pelin ya umewan pentingan syadap, bat ubabit lang rindong. Haka men's veteran 40 plus doubles, u Ibor lang Rani, bat u Siddhat Das, kila kirtiaw ya uwat Shempang Nong Malik, bat u George F. Black. Kum kejing penciluri ki Samla bala job bat kibarem ha ka final la ai kusnam bat song pisa syaki. Barok kinong ishimenta kila yo ikisernot na kinong peniat ya kini ke tournament.
Jackson Ringo. Let's clap for them.
Isu besar yang kita ayah negara berpindah tahun nanam pun tim show tentang tim pelukut agak scam berpinang isu berpinang kerana isu kue sports agak scam baga association jom sports berhad pinang organize agak sini depan semua play show.
How did you feel while playing against your category and the open category there in Bosco?
First of all, I thank the organizing committee to conduct this tournament. And playing this action play also is quite competitive. It is not that easy to play also. First when we started to play, that time it was quite difficult. But later on, very to play in this situation is quite okay. Thank you.
Berikutnya Silakan di coach, kalau di coach kita, kita bentuknya tidak ada, belum coach, sebab kei patai jika yang ini berbeda, ini betul bila semua tidak job tournament tidak represent yang district yang pasti, di coach ini beri kompetisi dapat kay kecil na pagkitan ko pagkitan tayo kita pupusin wala akong pwede but and I today ya ka RBBA ko ay panlalasan ko para alam mo ko yung pinagkunan ko para hot ya declare yung galing yung last dengan kanina ulit dito champion of Badminton tournament of Rymphang.
Matdaki tuki Khubor ngila poy siya kapakot tarado pag Indonesia biyang Khuborjylla.